Today, we are diving into the small but powerful word. This tiny article plays a big role in English, but when should you use it? Stay tuned as we break it down with simple rules and examples. We use the when referring to something specific, something both the speaker and the listener know about. Example, please pass me the book on the table. It also helps us talk about unique things, things that stand out. Example, the Eiffel Tower is a famous landmark. When we want to express the highest or lowest degree of something, the is our go-to word. Example, she is the smartest student in the class. Did you know that the is always used with ordinal numbers? That means when we talk about positions in a sequence, like first, second, third, we need it. Example, he won the first prize in the competition. It even appears before musical instruments and big organizations. Example, she plays the piano. They work for the United Nations. Now let us talk geography. We use the before rivers, mountain ranges, and oceans. Example, the Nile is the longest river in the world. Oh, and do not forget times of the day. Example, I like to take a walk in the evening. And finally, newspapers and famous buildings. The is a must. Example, I read the New York Times every day. Let us visit the Louvre in Paris. See, this tiny word does a lot.